terms of the office market, the fundamentals are still strong. We've had terrific growth in office-based employment, and you've got to remember, in terms of the fundamentals, in terms of occupiers, we've got some very good FDI occupiers here. 9 of the top 10 global software companies have a representation in Dublin. 9 of the American ICT companies have a representation in Dublin, and all of the top 10 international internet companies have a representation in Dublin. Our difficulty with the Dublin market is one of supply. You're looking at vacancy rates, low digits, so you're looking at probably another 4 years before we see an easing off in terms of the supply issues. Investment has tended to concentrate in the Dublin region, and it's been strong. Retail, the fundamentals have been good this year, with good employment growth figures. That's fed into increased consumer confidence and in terms of consumer credit. Retailers on the back of that have taken more space, rents have increased, and investors are certainly very confident of strong rental growth. In terms of retail investments, REITs and institutional purchasers have been dominant in the market, although interestingly, one of the largest, or the largest retail transaction this year, the purchase of the Blanchardstown shopping centre for 950 million, was by a private equity investor. In terms of the industrial market, there was an overcorrection in the market, and you can see that in terms of prices have not stabilised to the point where it is yet feasible to build new stock, so we're relying on existing stock, and that has been shrinking. It's been a real problem in the market. I would say industrial is a good 4 to 5 year bet in terms of investment. Rents have been improving, and we were likely to see later this year some speculative development returning, certainly in the north of Dublin, and there's no current plans in the southwest, which would be the dominant region, but I expect that to follow. In terms of vacancy rates in the industrial market in the Dublin region, you're looking at around 15% over the last 12 months. A lot of that would be accounted for dated industrial stock.